Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Doordash app. So first of all, you need to open your Doordash application. Here you can see I'm logged into my account. You need to make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you need to go to the orders on the bottom bar. So just to show you guys, I'll open up a restaurant. Then I'll scroll to and select an item I would like to. Since it says make two required selection, I'll scroll through and select whichever I want. So just scroll through and get done with this step. And once you are done, you need to tap on add item from the bottom. Now go to view cart. From this page, just tap on continue. Over here, you need to go through with the process and put in all your information. And then select if you want standard delivery or express delivery. Once you are done putting these informations, scroll down and then tap on payments. Here you will get to see multiple options that you can choose from. So select the one you want. For now, I will stick with Google Pay. So once you are done, all you need to do is tap on place order on the bottom of this page and then your order will be confirmed. After that, if you go to orders from the bottom bar and on the home page, you will get to see all your orders over here. So once you are in orders, you will get to see your current orders right here. So you need to tap on view order. After that, you will get to see help on the top right corner of this page. So just tap on help and you will be taken to customer support. And here you will get to see multiple options and one of them would be can I cancel my order. So you need to tap on that option. After that, on the next page, you will get to see an option that says chat with agent on the bottom. Just tap on that option. Then you need to select cancel order as the category of this issue. And then you can provide additional details in the text box. For example, I no longer want this food, and then just tap on chat with agent. Now a DoorDash agent will start chatting with you. Just talk to them and explain your issue and then they will help you out. So this is the only way you can cancel an order on DoorDash app. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.